Hello my lovely friends, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a delicious fruit salad. So what you need is a cutting board, kiwi, I cut kiwi up already, knife to cut stuff, kiwi fruit, plate and different types of fruits. I've got apple, kiwi fruit. So many options to go. I'm also having whipped cream, so it's one thing unhealthy. I have a whipped cream, small and big one. Just get my plate now. Just got cheese on it. Okay. See if I cut that open. Just set this to the side. Cut your apples into, ouch, 2 pieces. But first you want to wash them. Ouch. So finally I was able to cut that. Try and get all the seeds out of it. I use a top of a knife just to pop it out. I have my little cups like that. I'm just not going to use this big one. That's all we need right now, because we're going to be using my flaky things for that. So put them to the side and get your plate. Set it on like this. Set like that. So I think you've been doing it, but let's try to do it. Get your whipped cream. Now I'm putting everything back. Actually, can't believe I put whipped cream in the thing. Unless it's delicious, it should taste like a first try. It actually doesn't hurt because it's like the tip. The tip doesn't hurt for me. The blade, as it does. I'm gonna put a movie on my back in a second. I don't know what movie I'm putting on it. Maybe series. And it's Garfield. Where is the Garfield? So guys, just eat workshop food and it says delicious. It's really long. But it's non-petrol. I'm gonna go high. Okay.
John, Stevie, my brother Joe. I raised and nurtured him ever since he was a baby. I can trust your pants for this, can't I?
Oh, sure. No problem.
Because if any harm came to him, I just don't know what I'd do. But it breaks my heart to keep him cooped up in the cage.
So she coops us up instead. She spends her time closing windows.
And you spend it opening them. He's always saying it's stuck.
Let's go eat and then just come together.
Go ahead. Be my guest. Try it. See what happens. It'll be the most fun I've had in ages. Trust me.
Hey, I went through a lot of trouble chasing you, so humor me. Fight, struggle, beg, plead.
Oh, please, Mr. Cat, don't eat me. There is that exciting enough for you?
You're gonna have to do better than that.
I'll catch you with that bird again and forget the reward and no TV for a month.
I wouldn't gloat if I were you. I may be -1, but you're -2. Forget that insipid sack of feathers.
Told you.
It's like trying to get an adrenaline
Look at the
rush
food.
from
I'll
a
go for
slice
something.
of plain white bread. Inanimate pre-sliced cold cuts are 100 times more exciting.
Please, Mr. Cat, eat me. Come on. Whenever you want to, just do it, please.
Hey, you're supposed to beg me not to eat you, Dodo. But I must admit, you're slightly more tempting in sandwich form.
What's taking so long? Hurry up.
Well, if you insist. Here.
Petey? Oh, look, we're all out of hors d'oeuvres. Why don't I go into the kitchen and get us some more, huh? Oh, I see you've made yourself a nice canary sandwich. Last warning, Garfield. If anything happens to that bird, I'll put you on a diet of bread and water for life.
I need to get as far away as possible from that psycho bird.
Petey. Petey, where are you? Come to Mama. It's not like him. He never leaves my side for long.
Don't worry, Mom. He couldn't have gone far.
Yeah. It's not like this house is a mansion.
Maybe he went upstairs. We can go have a look if you want.
Oh.
Perfect. That should keep me out of trouble until the guests leave.
Garfield!
Petey, no. Petey.
Did I do that? I thought so. I'll be right back.
Stay where you are. Don't come any closer.
Listen, it's a cruel, cold world out there. full of mean, hungry cats, not pushovers like me.
I'll take my chances.
You have to fend for yourself. And when you're sick, no one will make chicken soup for you.
Birds don't eat chicken soup.
Oh, right, okay. Well, what about Daddy? She'll be devastated. She raised and nurtured you.
Smothered me. I've been wanting to break free from day one. And thanks to you, I found you. I'm free as a bird. Farewell, Garfield.
No.
Maybe it's for the best, Mom. How many times have you brought him into the clinic because he banged into a closet window? Huh? He'll be happier out there.
I'll be honest with you, Arbuckle. I didn't like you the minute I saw you. After what your cat just did.
I know, it's unforgivable. It's
It's a miracle. That darn bird was the bane of my existence. Heck, I've been trying to get rid of him for ages. Thanks to that cat of yours, he's gone for good. From now on, John, you're part of the family.
wow. I don't know what to say. Thank you, Mr. Bob.
Mr. Wilson, don't push your luck.
Garfield.
I might as well get it over with. It's time to face my fate with dignity. Bag. Oh, merciful, merciful John, take pity on me.
It is good.
Garfield, where have you been all afternoon? Your reward is getting cold.
My reward?
Ta-da! You earned it, Garfield.
Don't forget the recipe. It's simple, easy, three things. Well, 4 when candy, 5 a spoon, and this spoon. They can have whipped cream, apple, cut up apple, and kiwi fruit. Sorry, kiwi fruit. Bye everyone. Just before you leave, remember to subscribe, like. And for all of you that stayed there when I said that, you guys get to watch Garfield. So it's like go to my Snapchat, Travis 21, and with that, I'll show you some pictures of Garfield. So thank you for watching. Love me. Bye.
Work in the fields and do chores?
No,